Hello riders, welcome to Moto Talk. What a pleasant day at the outskirts of Bangalore. We are so overwhelmed by the response that we received from 9 years. From 9 years we have been serving biking community, making our performance exhaust, making riding gears, making many products as possible. Today I'm gonna show you the latest range of product by Moto Torque. That's nothing than the crash guard. You would have seen many crash guards in the market by now, but these are not the normal crash guard. These are technically designed to save your motorcycle while crashes. Also, it saves you from many damages on your body parts. Let me show you what role it plays in terms of material, in terms of sliders, in terms of the design. Let me show you quickly. So this is the Guardian crash guard for Himalayan. When you see this crash guard, I'm sure that you can already make out what exactly it plays the job. I'll tell you, this is made with a 14 gauge heavy thickness pipe, and this covers the entire clutch case, and this pipe covers the front part of the clutch case, and this pipe covers the vent pipe, and this pipe covers the engine main head. Alright, and this is the slider that helps the bike to slide in case of any unfortunate accidents. And this slider helps the motorcycle to save the handle, the front part of the tank and the front part of the entire body to get any kind of serious damages. Let me show you the Adventure Series saddle stay for Himalayan. So this comes with a jerry can holder fitment provision, and it comes with a blade on between with a beautifully designed Adventure Series written here. And it comes with a stay, a lower stay for the back so that the back doesn't touch your silencer, the silencer of the motorcycle. It comes with a beautifully designed and engraved our vent pipe on the behind. So this pipe holds the both saddle stay. It doesn't make the saddle stay to move towards the right or towards the left. So this is a very technically designed saddle stay for Himalayan. So that's the Adventure Series saddle stay along with the crash guard. So these are the two products that we have got for Himalayan. And let me show you a great product launched for Dominar today on this video. Let me show you the Hulk. The Hulk is the name that we have given for Dominar crash guard series. Check this out guys, check this out. We have designed so technically, keeping in mind the entire engine case has to be protected, the entire head has to be protected of the motorcycle, the entire bore system has to be protected, the entire coolant tank has to be protected with 4 sliders in this crash guard, 2 on the right and 2 on the left. Check this out, made with a very strong material, made with 2 mm thickness, 1 inch pipe. That's going to be the toughest crash guard available in the market. And check the beautifully designed, just like the Dominar D that you see. And this is the design inspired from the same Bajaj Dominar's D that we have inspired from. So this is the saddle stay that we have designed, again the Adventure Series. Comes with the provision for the jerry can holder, and beautifully comes with the back plate, back pipe as well. So what it does is the same job. It doesn't allow the both the saddle stay to merge towards the tire, or it doesn't allow the saddle stay to completely go out of the position it has to be. Okay, let me show you the third best motorcycle made in Indian market today, and the crash guard for the Hero Xpulse 200. So this Hero Xpulse 200 has been considered in India for using as an semi-adventure along with a semi-tourer motorcycle. So we had to design something very compact because the motorcycle is a compact motorcycle too. And keeping that point in the mind, we have designed this crash guard which is very compact, which saves your entire upper part of the engine, the head and the bore. And we didn't want a rider to suffer while he's on a ride, because if you see in the market, the most of the crash guards covers the Kickstarter on the outer side. So this part has been achieved. We wanted the Kickstarter to be outside so that the rider doesn't have any hassle after the battery goes dead or anything. He can definitely use the Kickstarter to start the motorcycle anywhere in the journey. Let me show you a back carrier. This has been designed keeping in mind that we didn't want the riders or the owner of the motorcycle to cut or to weld anything of any part that we manufacture. Let it be a crash guard for any motorcycle, Himalayan, Dominar, Xpulse, or any motorcycle whatsoever. So we have designed this back carrier so that the rider can carry a good amount of luggage on the back. We have given the option to give the bungee ropes here. A rider can definitely tie a bungee ropes here, and we have made it a very thick with a pipe giving on the behind. And this is just a bolt on fit. Thank you so much for watching this video. We are very overwhelmed by the response that we have received from our dealers and from our customers too. We are looking forward to serve this biking community the maximum ever possible. Let us show some love by subscribing to our channel. Go hit a button, share it with your friends, your group, your riding group. Also, let us know if there is something that we are not able to focus on. We will definitely try to focus on that part to improve everything. We try to learn from you and we try to improve the product.